Hey there! If you're having trouble with the Files app on your iPhone, don't sweat it. I've got your back with some simple solutions to get everything working smoothly again. Let's dive into how to fix the Files app not functioning on your iPhone. Solution 1. Restart the Files app. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Next, locate the Files app and swipe up on it to close it. After that, restart your iPhone to give it a fresh start. Now come back and reopen the Files app to see if the problem is fixed. Solution 2. Sync your Files app with iCloud. First, open the Settings app. Then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on iCloud. Tap on See All to view all your iCloud settings. Next, scroll down to find the Files app. Tap on iCloud Drive and try to turn on Sync This iPhone. If it's already enabled, then toggle it off and back on again. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down to find the option for General and tap on it. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. Look for the Files app in the list. Tap on Offload app, then confirm by tapping Offload again. Next, tap on Reinstall app. Finally, check if the issue has been resolved. Hopefully, this will solve your problem. Solution 4. Check storage space. Open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on General. After that, select iPhone Storage. Check if you have enough storage space available. If your storage is nearly full, try deleting any unnecessary files or apps to free up some space. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with the Files app on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help.